Eat some more? No? No? Shall I wash your hands? No? What do you want to do?
Air coming out.
Can you jump on them?
Well, then they will pop.
They won't. They were earlier.
It's just meat. You want this meat?
I have frightened.
No.
I'm going to put the other one on. You have to move, Rocky.
Be gentle, James.
I got some more. I'm hooking them up.
Want to get down? Want to get down? Oh, thank you. You want me to wash your hands? Or do you want to get down? You want to play? You want to drink your water?
I think Jordan won't come over here and play with me.
Well, when I ask him if he wants to get down, he says no.
Hey, James, turn around and look at the camera and tell your daddy how your day is here.
How's your day been, James?
Good.
What did you do today?
I've been popping bubbles.
Yeah, you have been. What did you do with all the bubble sheets?
I put them on the ground on my back and when I run towards them, I pop, 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 pop.
Yeah, you put them all in the hallway and ran across them when you ran your race, huh?
Uh-huh.
Was that fun?
Yeah.
Did you put together a puzzle?
James?
Huh?
Did you put together a puzzle?
Yeah.
Who helped you with it?
Guaranteed.
Was it fun?
Yeah.
You watch a video?
No.
Yes, you did.
Which one did I watch?
Trains and airplanes.
Train and airplane. Train. And on the back,
Show me.
train, then air, train,
Show Mommy.
train,
James.
airplane,
Well,
airplane.
show the camera. Show daddy.
Train, train, airplane, airplane.
Do
Alright,
that?
anything else you want to say to Daddy?
Yes. Daddy?
Yes, Gerbs?
You are Daddy.
Oh, sorry. What are you going to tell Daddy?
I'm popping bubbles.
Yeah.
Wow.
Anything
Oh,
else?
the bunny- We left the bunny in today. It's too cold. It was raining.
Wow.
The bunny
Then
will go outside
bubbles.
today. Tomorrow the bunny comes.
I love you, Daddy. Now we see the video.
Okay, hold on.